Jai Jagannath. Hello, dear students, how are you? I think you all are fine. Fine? Yes, you all are fine. Have you remembered, my students? Have you remembered what? The topic what? Only made impossible possible. Okay. Okay, tell me, who has called you to the witness box? Who has called? We discussed in our last class what? Who was called to the witness box? Yes, very good. The second witness was called to the witness box. Okay, tell me, how many questions did the judge ask to the second witness? How many questions? The judge asked 3. The judge asked how many questions did the judge ask to the second witness? No, the judge asked 3 questions to the second witness. Did the judge ask the same questions? Did the judge ask the same questions to the second witness? Did he ask? Yes, tell me. Yes, he asked the same questions. The same questions. Yes, the judge asked the same questions to the second witness. That means what he asked the first witness, the judge also repeated the same questions to the second witness. Okay, tell me, what about the answers of the second witness? What about the answers of the second witness? What about the answers of the second witness? Yes, the answers are similar or not, or different? Yes, the answers of the second witness are different from the answers of the first witness. The answers of the second witness are different from the answers of the first witness. They gave contradictory facts. Who gave? They means the first witness and the second witness gave contradictory facts. They gave contradictory facts. Okay, tell me here, where second witness where कहीं लिख रहे पिलाए? It is the second witness where the कहाँ present करती? The answers were very different. The answers plural. So we write where the answers were very different from the answers of the first witness. They gave what? Contradictory facts. Okay. Do you think the man whose purse was stolen will win the case? Will win the case? Or not? Now we will discuss that. Okay. Now open your book at page number 3. SGP 3 and follow my loud reading. The trial was postponed for the next day, but the lawyer was terribly upset. He scolded the witnesses for giving contradictory facts, but each of the witnesses told that they had told the truth. The case is lost. There is no hope of saving the case. No need for sending a third witness, grumbled the angry lawyer. Ali, the lawyer's cook, was listening to all this. He said, "Take me as the third witness. I can save the case." The lawyer laughed and said, "This is impossible, and you are a mere cook. You should know this. Ali, in his faulty English said, "Sir, I have been cooking you. Sir, I have been cooking you for the last 10 years. For the last 10 years. And you know, I can also cook the judge and the governor. I am an excellent cook. I am an excellent cook. I know how to make impossible possible. Give me a chance, sir." Why Ali said this? Now when Ali listened that the witness, first witness and second witness replied contradictory answers. When the judge asked when was the theft committed, was it day or night? The first witness replied it was day, while the second witness replied it was night. When the judge asked the second question, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? The first witness replied 5, while the second witness replied 25. While the judge asked, what was the color of the stolen purse? The first witness replied black, and the second witness replied white. Now, see what happened and look and read the SGP3 we will discuss later.